So here are the seats to my 2014 Audi R8 Spyder. And they look really nice. I mean, the leather's really nice, the stitching's really nice, and they're really comfortable. But the only issue I have with these are they're just so plain and just all black. There's really nothing interesting about them. So I want to turn these into this. How cool does that look? So let me show you how I did this. Okay, so I've been trying to find ways to upgrade my seat without costing an arm and a leg. I had a few options. I can either get sport seats, which are replacements that cost thousands of dollars, or I can get my seat to reupholster, which is kind of permanent and pretty expensive, or I could get seat covers. Unfortunately, I looked for months and months and months, and nobody makes seat covers for this car. Everything's universal, it's really ugly, it's really cheap, and there's no way I'm gonna put that on my R8. However, about 2 weeks ago, I found this random site that apparently makes Mercedes seat covers and Audi seat covers. And I asked them, hey, do you guys make R8 seat covers? And they said, yes. And I said, are they fully custom? They said, yes, it should fit like a glove. And I said, you know what? For a few $100, let's give it a try. And the cool thing about this was I could customize them any way I wanted to. So let me show you the seat covers. So here are the seat covers, and they look really nice. So this is the driver's side, this is the passenger side, and it comes with the headrest, comes with the backrest, and it comes with the seat cushion. These are really, really nice. I mean, check this out. The quality is really nice. I had mine custom done with black piping and diamond stitching. I think that's gonna look really cool on my car. I mean, everything is all padded, so it's really premium looking. This one even has an airbag spot, so that way if the airbag ever deploys, it'll pop right out. And it also has a zipper on the side for a nice snug fit. And what I'm holding on right now is the bolster for the backrest. You don't really see these in universal seat covers, so this is going to fit nice and snug, and it has all the necessary clips to do that. And it also comes with the instructions as well. But yeah, I can't wait to get these on the car. Before I put those on the car, I want to leave the information to the retailer in the description below. Feel free to contact them if you have any questions whatsoever, if you need custom covers for your car. Okay, let's put them on. I'm going to start by first moving the seat forward. Now I'm going to slip the lower seat cover onto the original seat and slide the excess in between the seat to the back and pull it as tight as I can. Next, I'm just going to tuck in the sides and also the front section. And then right here is a clip. It's an elastic band that clips onto this right here. So that's nice and clipped and everything is nice and tight. So what I have left is on the back, there's 3 more of these clips, and they connect to 3 of these straps, which will go underneath the seat and to the back. So I'm going to raise the seat up. For this strap, to make the routing easier, what I did was I taped it to a really long tie wrap, and I'm just going to take this tie wrap, sneak it in the front and then to the back. Okay, now it's in the back. I can go ahead and strap it to the clips. So it's pretty easy. It just goes in the larger slit and then it comes back to the narrower slit, and then I can adjust it so it's nice and tight. And I'll do that for all 3 clips. Okay, so all 3 are done, and now I can move to the backrest. So for the backrest, I'm gonna unzip it, and then I'm gonna slide it on the seat. Next, I'm just gonna Velcro everything up top underneath the headrest. Next, I'm gonna zip it tight. And then I'm going to take all the excess and slide it in the joint to the back and pull it really tight. So underneath this flap right here is all the excess, And then for this flap, there's just a hook right here, a plastic hook that I'm just gonna hook to the bottom of the seat, and that's it. Next is the headrest. I'm just gonna slip it over and then connect the two Velcro pieces together. So this I really struggled with, so I pulled it off. And then after inspecting this, I realized it's not gonna fit. The Velcro is too short and it can't reach each other. I mean, if it was just maybe a tad longer, it can reach, but I'm just gonna leave this off. I mean, the headrest is black, it matches the seats, and it looks pretty good. So now I'm just gonna move to the driver's side and finish that as well. And then right here is the final product. How good does that look? And the black on the seat matches pretty close to the headrest. Everything just looks really good. The piping looks good. The stitching looks really good. Everything is nice and tight and secured. I mean, it looks almost OEM. Same for the other side. The only thing I noticed was this is a little loose because you have a bolster here and here. So this is a little taut, but that's perfectly fine because someone's just gonna sit on it anyways. But other than that, I think this is a win. It looks awesome. Well, there you have it. I'm really happy with the way it turned out, and only for a few $100, you can't beat it. So now that the seats are done, it's time to do the steering wheel, and you're gonna have to wait till the next video. I'll see you next time.